Good afternoon, everyone. Wicked Garden Guy here, bringing you this week's edition of what to do while waiting for lawn season to start. So the snow's all melted, all the bulbs are starting to pop, the daffodils, the tulips, the crocuses. Grass is starting to dry out, but still a little bit wet to get on. Even to rake it out, we do have some snow mold, very minimal compared to last year, which is nice. And yeah, so wanted to get another project done before it's really time to dig in and start raking some of that out, cleaning up beds, and getting ready to start mowing soon. So let's get into it. This week, what I am doing is replacing the front lights on the house. So we have some pretty old, pretty ugly lights on either side of the front door, and I'm going to just update them a little bit with something a little bit more modern, something that hopefully will put off a little bit more light. And then one of them is actually not working very well right now, and it's nothing more than a loose wire, but we're going to idea. So we're gonna replace it rather than fix it, and yeah, figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Not a huge fan of electrical work. I despise electricity as far as working on it, and so this is gonna be I can do it. Not my ideal project, but first things first, went down, figured out which breaker it was, which switch on the breaker, and shut it off, and then now I can get to work. But here are the current lights. So these are currently the lights that we have on the house. Very 1980s-ish. The house was built in 65, so they could even be from there. And this guy is the one not working. So yesterday when we were out in the rain, we went and picked up this guy. So this is actually a built-in LED, so you don't replace the light bulbs. So it should be interesting. It says it does last for a long time, and hopefully that's true, because my guess is you replace the whole unit and not just the bulb. So yeah, like I said, gonna bring you guys along for the ride. I've already done step one. I turned off the power to these lights, and then I'll take off the old ones, assess the wires and the box, to make sure the junction box, and then I'll probably even though the mount should line up, I'm gonna switch out the mount too for this one. That is probably gonna be in a lot better shape. So all right, let's get to it. So I took off the old fixture, took off the old mounting bracket, and then now here's the new mounting bracket. So if you notice, this is a metal outlet box, and there's no ground wire sticking out because it is not a plastic one. So I am actually going to use the ground screw right here, and then connect the black wire, the white wire, using the provided wire nuts. And then once I get the ground wire on, I can get this kind of leveled and then tighten these up, get the other two wires fixed, or connected, stuff everything back into the box, get the light mounted, and then give her a whirl. So we will do that right now. Tell me about your new light.
It's so much better.
So, pretty easy. Didn't take too long. Yeah, see, there's a, like, it's almost like reflective.
Yeah, we'll see how it is tonight when the sun goes down. It's a lot nicer than the other one.
Well, and that one didn't work.
Which one? This one?
This one.
Oh, okay. Cool. I like it.
Yeah.
I like that look too.
All right, now I gotta repeat the process on the other side, and this project will be done. But definitely a big upgrade if you look at that one compared to that one. So, and she's happy.
Next, we're gonna paint the shutters.
I'll cut that out. So that's it. 2 new lights installed. All my fingers are still there. No shocks. And yeah, excited for the sun to go down tonight and see what it looks like. But yeah, pretty easy job. Just another project to tick off before we get elbow deep in the yard, and before you know it, spring's in full effect and we're into summer. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, and comment below if you've taken on a similar project. Like I said, electricity is not my friend, and I think part of it deals with growing up in the White Mountains up in New Hampshire, and some of the worst thunderstorms you'll ever see up there, and yeah, I have a little bit of PTSD from it, but that was easy. You know, once you turn the power off, it's a simple project, right? So don't be afraid of it. Face your fears, and happy wife. All right, enjoy.